Children, let's see one more interesting sum which is based on speed, distance, time. Quite interesting this is. Let's see what the question says. Places P and Q are 30 km apart and they are on the straight road. So as we have done in the previous one, children, the entire sum was stated within the diagram. So this is what I want, that children should always make a rough sketch, a rough diagram, right? That's going to help you a lot. What is the distance? The distance is 30 km between 2 points. So let this be P, Q, P, Q. What is the total distance between them? Total distance between them is 30 km. Great. P and Q are 30 kilometers apart. They are on a straight road. Shyam travels from P to Q. Okay. On bike. At the same time, Ram travels from Q to P on bike. So there are two people, Shyam and Ram. One is traveling from P to Q. The other one is traveling from Q to P. So let me say Shyam is moving from P towards Q. Ram moving from Q towards P. Let them meet at point S. Let them meet at point S, as the condition says. So this is what Shyam moving in this direction. And this is what Ram moving in this direction. Shyam from P towards Q. Ram from Q towards P. They meet each other after 20 minutes. Children, this is a very, very important line. They meet each other after 20 minutes. So, what is the time frame for which Shyam is on bike? What is the time frame for which Shyam is on bike? The time frame for which Shyam is on bike, that is from P to S. The time frame is 20 minutes. Equally the same time is being taken by Ram also. He is also traveling for 20 minutes. The meaning of they meeting each other after 20 minutes means what? Both of them are traveling for 20 minutes, though in an opposite direction. That's the reason they are meeting. But what is the time for each of them? The time for each of them is 20 minutes. If you want, you can convert this into hour. If you convert that, it will be 1/3 hour for Shyam also, 1/3 hour for Ram also. How did it come to 1/3 hour? 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 20 minutes means 20 upon 60. 0 gets cancels off. If you want, I can show you here. 20 upon 60. 0 gets cancels off. 1 by 3. 2 by 6, which is nothing but 1 by 3. This is how the time is 1/3 of an hour. We read the question further. If Ram would have started from Q and moving in the same direction as that of Shyam, Shyam would have caught him after 3 hours. Find the speed of Shyam and Ram. I did not understand the second condition or the second part of the sum, right? But what I'm supposed to find out, find the speed of Shyam and Ram. We start off with our initial condition. What is that? Let the speed of Shyam be, x kilometer per hour. Shyam moving from P towards Q initially. Let the speed of Ram be y kilometer per hour. Children, what is the distance? 30 kilometer. Net distance between them is 30 kilometer. If the speed of Shyam is x kilometer per hour, that of Ram is y kilometer per hour. Can you tell me what is the distance covered by Shyam in 20 minutes? Distance is speed into time. So, since distance is equals to speed into time, this is the distance covered by Shyam. Speed is x into time, 1 by 3. Speed is y into time, which is again 1 by 3. So, as per the first GC, the total distance is 30 kilometer. The total distance is 30 kilometer. Since distance is equals to speed into time as per first GC. Once again, children, what is the distance covered? Speed, x kilometer into time, 1 by 3 of an hour. So it is going to be x by 3 kilometer. Speed y into time 1 by 3. So answer is going to be y by 3 kilometer. The net distance is 30 kilometer. As per first GC, x by 3 plus y by 3 is equals to 30. X by 3 plus y by 3 is equals to 30. LCM is the same. Multiply throughout by 3. Multiply throughout by 3. What will I get? X plus y is equals to 90. My first equation. X plus y is equals to 90. Once again, if you want, distance between P and Q, 30. Shyam is moving from P towards Q. Let them meet at S. Ram is moving from Q towards P. They are meeting at S. After how many minutes? 20 minutes. That means both of them travel for 20 minutes. 20 minutes is nothing but 1/3 of an hour. We have said let the speed of Shyam be x kilometer per hour, Ram be y kilometer per hour. Distance is speed into time, x into 1 by 3, y into 1 by 3. Total distance is 30. We get our first equation. Now, very important is the second one. For second one, we have to once again draw a figure. What the question says, let's read. If Ram would have started from Q, so Ram is now starting from Q, but in which direction? And moving in the same direction as that of Shyam. So where was Shyam moving earlier? Shyam was moving from P towards Q. And now they say Ram also moves in the direction from P towards Q. That is in this way. Right? Once again, if Ram would have started from Q and moving in the same direction as that of Shyam, Shyam would have caught him after 3 hours. So I think so picture more, our rough diagram is going to make you clear more, right? So this was our initial part, first condition. This is our second. I'm just shortening it out so that we can understand. This is nothing but P and Q. What is the total distance between them? 30 kilometer. Is that so? We are aware. Now they say in the second condition, Ram is not coming towards Shyam. Rather, he is going in the direction to that of Shyam. So what was the direction of Shyam? The direction of Shyam was this. Now, even Ram also wants to go in this direction. So now this and the direction of Shyam is that of the same as the first one. Are you getting me? That's what the question says. That Ram is now moving from Q in the direction of that of Shyam. Right? Right? Now they say, if Ram would have started from Q and move in the same direction as that of Shyam, Shyam would have caught him after 3 hours. So after some time, that's 3 hours, both are once again meeting at point S. But this time Shyam is catching Ram after 3 hours. So they are meeting. Catching Shyam means what? They are once again meeting. How much distance Ram would have traveled? How much distance Shyam would have traveled? What is the time frame taken by each is what we have to understand. So let's understand. Now we are aware the speed of Shyam be x kilometer. So speed of Shyam, I'm just writing below it, is x kilometer per hour. Ram y kilometer per hour. Now don't you think so that Shyam catches hold of Ram in 3 hours? That means even Ram also travels for 3 hours. Shyam is also going to travel for 3 hours, and after 3 hours Shyam catches Ram, means they are meeting. As both of them had the same time frame, here also the time frame will be the same. So for what time frame Ram is traveling now? The time frame for which Ram is traveling is 3 hours. What is the time frame with what Shyam is traveling now? Shyam is also traveling with a time frame of 3 hours. Now in 3 hours, what is the distance covered by Ram from Q to S? Distance is equals to speed into time. So what is it? Distance is speed y into time. 3, distance is 3y kilometer. From where to where? Q to S. From where to where? Q to S. Now, what is the distance covered by Shyam? Not only is he covering the distance from Q to S. Why am I saying that is he covering Q to S? Because both of them are meeting. Along with that, he's covering 30 kilometer also. He's covering 30 kilometers also. So what is the distance covered by Shyam? As per the formula, distance is speed into time. Distance is speed into time. 3 into x. Distance is speed into time. But how we are going to frame the equation? Is this the distance covered by Shyam? But in our diagram, it says that what is the net distance covered by Shyam? Not only what covered by Ram plus 30, because he has to move from P to Q, which is 30. Thereafter, cover a distance of what Ram covered so that both of them can meet. So, can I say the net distance covered is 30 plus 3y, which is nothing but 3x. 30 plus 3y is nothing but 3x. As per second GC. Children, since I have mentioned everything in my diagram, I need not elaborate main things over here or all the things, how we reach to our solution. So, as per second GC, can I say distance covered by Shyam, which is 3x, is nothing but the net distance which is covering is 30 kilometer, which they were apart, plus the distance covered by Ram, which is 3y. So 3x is 30 plus 3y. Bring this over here. 3x minus 3y is 30. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. X minus y is equals to 10. Equation number 2. I hope my children have understood. Right? If you want, I can make you understand once again. This was the net distance which they were a part of. Now, Ram is heading in the direction of Shyam. That means if I have to say from your side, they are moving from left to right. They are moving from left to right. After 3 hours, Shyam is catching hold of Ram. That means they are meeting. So what is the time frame for which Ram is traveling? 3 hours. What is the time frame for which Shyam is traveling? 3 hours. What is the speed of Ram? Y kilometer. Time frame 3 hours. Distance covered by Ram? 3y. What is the distance covered by Shyam? 3 hours. Speed x, 3x. But from the figure it is clearly seen that distance covered by Shyam is nothing but previous 30 which they are a part of plus the distance covered by Ram. So 3x is 30 plus 3y. I hope now the picture is very clear. What we should do? Adding equations 1 and 2. When I add equations 1 and 2, x plus y is 90, x minus y is 10, cancels off, 2x is 100, x is 50. X is 50. With x 50, let's work out here. With x 50, substitute x equals to 50 in equation 1. X plus y is equals to 90. 50 plus y is equals to 90. Y is equals to 40. So what exactly we were trying to find out? Speed of Shyam and Ram. Shyam being x, which is 50, Ram being y, which is 40. Therefore, speed of Shyam is 50 kilometer per hour. Speed of Ram is 40 kilometer per hour. I hope you have understood this now, right? Now, do we need to cross-check our answer whether we are right or wrong? Let's cross-check our answer. For what time frame, over here also you can say, for what time frame they are traveling? They are traveling for 1/3 hour, 20 minutes, right? So, 50 into 1/3. This is what the cross-check is. Now, whatever I'm going to show you is what the cross-check is. X by 3 kilometer. X is what I got, 50. 50 by 3. Y by 3 kilometer. 40 by 3. Denominator same. Can I say it's 90 by 3? Answer is 30. They are a part of 30 kilometer. Or you could have stated here also. What is the distance covered? Distance covered is 3x. 50. So what is the distance covered? Distance covered is 3x, which is 150. What is the total distance covered? 3y plus 30. Y. So 3y plus 30. 3 into 40, 120 plus 30. Each of the case, our answer is correct. I hope my students have understood this particular sum.